Marcia Griffiths, the Queen of Reggae. Marcia Griffiths, known as the Queen of Reggae, is a legendary Jamaican singer whose powerful voice, emotive performances, and timeless hits have made her an icon in reggae music. Born on November 23, 1949, in Kingston, Jamaica, Griffiths rose to prominence during the early reggae era and has maintained her influence over decades, becoming one of the most respected and enduring figures in the genre. As a solo artist and member of the I3s, she has been a defining force in reggae, inspiring countless fans and musicians worldwide. Griffiths began singing at a young age, encouraged by her family and local community. She caught the attention of Byron Lee, a prominent Jamaican musician and producer, who offered her the opportunity to record with his label. In 1964, at just 15 years old, she recorded her first single, Wall of Love. This debut paved the way for a career that would see Griffiths collaborate with some of the biggest names in Jamaican music and establish herself as one of the genre's most cherished voices. Her breakthrough came in 1968 with the release of Feel Like Jumping, a lively, upbeat song produced by the legendary duo Coxsone Dodd and Jackie Mittoo at Studio One. The song was an instant hit in Jamaica and across the Caribbean, propelling Griffiths into the limelight. This success established her as one of the leading female voices in reggae, and she continued to release popular singles throughout the 1960s and 1970s. Her voice, smooth yet powerful, became synonymous with the emerging sound of reggae, blending soulfulness with the genre's characteristic rhythms. In 1974, Griffiths joined the I3s, the iconic vocal trio formed to support Bob Marley and the Wailers. Alongside Judy Mowatt and Rita Marley, Griffiths added a rich, harmonic layer to Marley's music, helping to create the full-bodied sound that became synonymous with roots reggae. Songs like No Woman, No Cry, Three Little Birds, and Buffalo Soldier featured the I3's harmonies, and the trio's presence added depth and soul to Marley's performances. Touring internationally with Marley, Griffiths and the I3s played a significant role in bringing reggae to the global stage. Griffiths' solo career flourished alongside her work with the I3s. In 1982, she released Electric Boogie, which later gained international fame with the popular dance known as the Electric Slide. The song became a major crossover hit, reaching audiences beyond reggae's core fans and making her one of the few Jamaican artists to achieve mainstream success worldwide. To this day, Electric Boogie and the Electric Slide remain a staple at celebrations and parties across the world. Over the years, Marcia Griffiths has continued to release music, collaborating with younger artists and embracing the evolving reggae landscape while staying true to her roots. Her discography spans multiple decades and includes classics like Dreamland, Steppin' Out of Babylon, and All My Life. Her music often touches on themes of love, resilience, and spirituality, resonating with listeners of all ages. Beyond her music, Griffiths is known for her humility, grace, and dedication to her craft. As one of the few women to achieve lasting success in reggae, she has opened doors for future generations of female artists in the genre. Her contributions to reggae have earned her numerous accolades, including Jamaica's Order of Distinction, which celebrates her impact on Jamaican culture and music. Today, Marcia Griffiths remains active, performing and recording music that continues to inspire. With an estimated net worth around $1 million, she has led a career grounded in passion rather than commercialism, focusing on the art of reggae and its cultural significance. Her legacy as the Queen of Reggae endures, a testament to her talent, perseverance, and the timeless appeal of her music.